Hi, today we are in my kitchen instead of Antonella's kitchen, and so welcome to my kitchen. And we have Jessica from Nitty Gritty, who's going to be making popsicles with us today. Super healthy popsicles.
Yeah. So I'm going to show you guys how I make this recipe. I wanted to combine different healthy ingredients that include some veggies where you don't really taste the veggies. So this is going to be a very super simple recipe that we are going to use the Brainiac fruits blend in this recipe.
And vegetable blend.
Fruit and
There's
vegetable
also
blend,
vegetables in
it's
there.
true, yes.
Yes.
And so we'll start with the wet ingredients. So we'll go with some maple syrup, a very natural way to sweeten it. And
So in there is how much maple syrup?
I put about 3 teaspoons. I mean, you can put more or less, depends on how much you want. I like it a little less sweet, but if you're using this with children, you might want to put a little bit more just because it'll mask the taste of the veggies. But honestly, you don't even taste the veggies, which is amazing. And I use this with my nephews and they come over and it's awesome. So we'll go with the maple syrup. We'll let that go.
And what a great treat for the summertime, right?
God.
Like it's so fresh,
So
like
good.
popsicles with fruits and veggies.
Yeah, everybody loves popsicles.
So this is also pre-measured. Oh, do you want just a regular spoon?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a spoon. This is 1 cup of
go.
Greek yogurt, low sugar, no sugar. I try to stick to no sugar because I do use, I did use the maple syrup, but I mean it's up to you if you want it to be a bit sweeter. You go with yogurt that has sugar. Then you go with your berries. So here we have half a cup of mixed berries. So blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, strawberries. You can be really creative with this.
Oh yeah, you could even make like a watermelon.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, there's a little blueberry here. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now,
how much Brainiac do you normally put?
I put 4 teaspoons.
And
then the banana, which I always love to add a banana. Oops. We lost a little trooper. I always love to add banana into all my recipes because it thickens it. And of course it does add that potassium, which is great for anyone who's trying to detox, to de-bloat. The potassium helps a lot. So here we go. We have some banana and then you simply have to blend.
The riper the banana, the sweeter it's going to be. So
How easy is this recipe?
Yeah, this is super easy.
And it's so good, especially after a long day of work. So now all you got to do, as you can see, it's very liquidy. It's very easy. It'll be very easy to pour. And you just have to pour them into your popsicle mold. And as I was saying earlier, this is a great snack to have, especially after a long day of work. I'm always like super careful with everything I put into my body. That's why I make a lot of the foods at home. And I try to make them as clean as possible. And this is a great recipe because it does have all those anti-inflammatory benefits that I constantly talk about on Instagram. And of course, you know what's in here, right? When you make it at home, you know what's going into your body. So there's no preservatives, nothing that can, you know, bother your body's natural way of, you know, eliminating. So
if you're not following Jessica, she has a Instagram page where she talks about different healthy recipes. And she puts up the recipes as well. So you should follow her.
And this is great for children if you have little kids at home, like I mentioned earlier. It's a super great way to incorporate vegetables into their diets. I have 2 little nephews at home, and well, at home when they come over, and they're always super excited when they come over because they know that I'm gonna spoil them with something tasty, but they don't know that I always have it like.
Mia, these are like puzzles.
Yeah, I know, these are like puzzles. So we're going to put these in the freezer, and we have some that we already made, so I'm going to go get that. They came out beautifully. They're super nice. Oh, it's good.
Oh, this is delicious.
Well, thank you so much for coming. This is amazing. Our kids are going to love these all summer long.
Thank you so
much.
much
I'm keeping the rest.
Yeah, you can keep the rest.
You guys are going to have to fight over them.
We will.
Thank you very much. So this is Jessica from Nitty Gritty. And thank you for coming.
Thank you.